How to sign out of all devices on Netflix. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna show you how to do it on your web version. So here we're gonna click on this profile picture, and next I'm gonna choose account. If you scroll a little bit down, you will see manage access and devices. Just click on it. And here I can see my current device. Also, I can sign out individually like this. But if you wanna sign out of all devices, just scroll all the way down and you will see this sign out of all devices. And now I'm going to show you how to do it on your mobile. It's gonna be the same process. So click on your profile picture here, then 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Next, choose account. And here I'm gonna scroll a little bit down again until I find manage access and devices. Click on it. And again, you can sign out individually your device, or you can scroll all the way down until you see option sign out of all devices. And this is how can you do it. Thank you for watching. As always, have a nice week and see you later.